barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Jazz, and today I'm going to cook a pork loin. That's right, we are going to cook a stuffed pork loin. I'm going to try something a little bit different, just to see what happens. But we're doing a little half loin roast, not a very big one. And we're going to stuff it with some green peppers, fresh green peppers, and some onions, because everybody just kind of craps on me for using frozen, whatever. We're going to use these. We're going to get those cut up and diced up and stuffed in that pork loin. And we're going to put in some pepperjack cheese and some Swiss in there too. And we're going to roll it up real nice and tight. Throw that some buck on the smoker. And it's really hard not to cuss, by the way. I have a real problem with it, but that's not the point. But we're going to throw it on the smoker and get it cooked up for you today and see how we do. So let's get to cooking. We got to get these vegetables chopped up and we got to get them stuffed in the pork loin. So let's get to it. Alright folks, there you have it. There she is in all her glory. Now, forgive me, I did make a bit of a mess. This wasn't my first time trying to wrap a pork loin, so I did okay. I did alright. It's fine. I just got some vegetables and stuff that were kind of falling out. So, but anyway, we're going to go ahead. We're going to get this sucker on the smoker so we can get it cooking. So let's go ahead and get it on there. She's ready. Let's roll. Alright folks, at home we are done. We got this thing to 145 degrees. We're going to pull it off. We're going to wrap it up. We're going to let it rest, and then we will cut it up here in just a little bit. Alright guys, here we go. Time to slice her up. Whew. Look at that. Does that not just look amazing? I know it's got a lot of cheese coming out of it. I'm really hoping that I didn't lose all my cheese. I'm starting to have a problem with that out there. But we're going to cut all the string off. We're going to find out. Alright, here we go. Let's slice into her. Oh man, does that look good. Oh yeah, we got cheese in there, buddy. That's what I was worried about. Worried about that cheese melting all out of there. Oh, look at that. Look at that cheese. Alright folks, so we're going to go ahead and try to eat this. I picked it up and everything kind of fell out of it, so but I'm gonna take a bite of it because that's what apparently YouTube says you have to do. You have to, all the people's out there, you gotta say you gotta eat your food. That was good. That's fantastic. I amaze myself sometimes. Alright guys, that's it for me. That is it for this week's video of the stuffed pork loin. I gotta say, that was really good. My wife even really loved it. She said that was a definite win for us. So, that's all I have for you. I will say that actually rolling the meat and like tying it together, that was actually probably the most complicated part of the whole process. But it worked out really well. It tasted phenomenal, and I'm definitely gonna have to do that one again. So, like I said before, follow me on all my social medias: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at NewbieQ2020. Oh, excuse me, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at NewbieQ2020. TikTok is at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue, and that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys ever done a stuffed pork loin? Anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.